guys, welcome back to my channel. It's really early in the morning. Just dropped off the girls and decided to swing by Lowe's and see if I can find any unique plants or just maybe something that I want to work with. Oh, this is different. Let's see what this is. Sideberria Leticia. I like that. I'm gonna think about that. So that's one I definitely want to think about. Is this the fish hook one? Yeah, it's over here. I hate being by the door. Just keep opening and closing. Look, this is one I got on clearance. And it just says it's a Sideberria. It's the same basic cactuses that I normally see. Some of these plants might be going on clearance soon. Oh, look, there's more over here. You know, I love this jade. I might get one of these because I really, really love the color. I really like the color. Put that on my list. Let's see what this one is here. I think I have this. Let's see what this is. It's very minimal. Yeah, I have this. The only thing is, mine is, I don't know, I think it's looking for more light. Mine. I'm noticing that some of my plants need more light because of the overhang over the house. And there's just more up there. Can't see. Let's see what this one is. Sedum salsa. Never seen that before. Sedum salsa. Or aeonium. Okay. Go check the other side. Oh guys, look at that domino with all those. Look, but it's got a little boo-boo there. Still cute. This is the cubic frost, really, really stretched out. Aeonium. Let's see. Look at this. Look at how pretty that is. See? Is this a cinnamon one? No. Oh, see, another one, Kalanchoe tomentosa. See, there's so many different ones of these. So cute. I like that one. Kalanchoe tomentosa. And then there's the tuxedo one over there. I showed it to you when I was visiting my sister at the other Lowe's. Okay. And then here we have the typical cactuses with flowers on them. No, let's see what they have over here. Some clearance stuff. Ooh. Ay, ay, ay. There is no rescuing that. What are you doing? Goodness. Oh, these are terrible. Like, who wants that? Look at that. Come on, guys. They're like in terrible condition. This one might be one that could be rescued. I have to see how much it is. I have to ask because it's really not labeled. So I'll have to ask. Let me see this one as well. If it's $1, I'll rescue. I have like 1 million cactuses that will be $1. That's a golden barrel. It's like squeezing out of its container. Okay. Guys, this is kind of creepy. I'm alone here. I don't think there's anybody over here. Anyways, look at that. That's pretty, and the price is really good. $7.48. That is good. Look. Cute. Let's see what they call it. I think many people call this a super bun, but I've never seen a labeled super bun. It's called Graptopetalum pentendrum. more. See, these are different. A succulent koi. I don't think that's panda. That's a different one. It doesn't say. It just says koi. Oh, is this a variegated one? I'm gonna get scared if somebody comes up and it's like, "Hi, can I help you?" I don't know. It doesn't say. Let me see. Those fire sticks are good. Euphorbia fire sticks, $7. I should get one day. Okay, let's maneuver this around because I can't get in. Okay, maybe get back here, guys. Oh, look at this one here. That looks pretty cool. I'm stuck. Ooh, look at that one. It's $20. It's a beauty though. It's a beauty. These are all the $20 baskets. Making sure there's nothing hiding that I might be looking for. I hate that they put these cactuses back here. They just fall apart. They get forgotten and they fall apart. They have these arrangements. They're all different prices. I really love that. Love the colors. Look at those. Those are cute. Those are really nice in there. That's it. Nothing else. That's it. Okay, guys. I guess that's it for Lowe's here. Nothing exciting. I'm disappointed. Let me walk around just to make sure, but then I'm gonna head to Home Depot. Hey guys, just got here Home Depot, and let's see what they have. Oh, a lot of noise. Okie dokie. Same plants, nothing, don't see anything special. Oh, somebody's there. We'll go there later. You guys are going to hear the blower non-stop. I'm sorry about that. Here we are. The beautifulness. Dusty Rose. I think this is Lilac Mist. Sedaveria Lilac Mist. Yep. And these are nice. These colors are so nice. Lots of beauties. Ooh, look at this one. She's beautiful, but she's gonna lose some leaves, right from just being overwatered and then the rain. See? She's gonna be losing lots of leaves. Ooh, these are nice. Compact Mini Jade. This one is called. And then these are regular flapjacks. Okay, let's see what else. I was hoping to find maybe like a big cactus, but I don't know if I'm gonna find it. Something happened here. Ew! What is that? Oh my gosh, that looks nasty. It actually looks like dog food. This is Sedum Lime Gold. And then, ooh, these are pretty. I think this is the Alpen Glow. Yeah, Alpen Very Higgins. Beautiful colors. And then I think this is the, look, it didn't print well. The California Sunset. Let's see, hold on. Where is it? Oh, he's coming over here with the noise. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Yep, California Sunset. bigger. Okay, so this says Alpenbill Bear Higgins. It says Reptile Hybrid, but it's way bigger than these and deeper in color. And let's see, this one is also same thing. But these are way bigger. That is so weird to me, right? See how different these are? Look at how big they are too. I really like them, but I don't know. I know they might be a little sensitive. I know these can handle a lot. I can't talk. I am back home. I'm sorry I had to cut it off at Home Depot. The guy was working, you know, he was blowing stuff away and it was just too loud, so I just had to stop. And I didn't want him, you know, to feel like he had to stop because I was recording. He actually knows. You guys seen him a long time ago on one of my YouTube because he knows that I record. So, and you guys got to, had a chance to see him in one of my videos at Home Depot before. So anyways, so guys, this is what I ended up getting. I got the jade at Lowe's and this really pretty called Sedaveria Leticia, like that. And then I got and the golden, what's it called? Golden sedum, is it? Yep, golden sedum. These are the ones that I've had in. I also got 2 Echeverria Debbies from the $2.98. $2.98 is such an awesome deal, so I couldn't let it pass up. So yeah, anyways guys, I will let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.